Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of products you never knew you needed. Today, we have a product that's essential for anyone in the cube solving community. If you're tired of sluggish cube movements or want to take your speed cubing to the next level, stay tuned. Because we're reviewing the LubeLife water-based lubricant for cubes, the best lubricant for cubes available in the market. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews of essential products like this one. Now, you might be wondering, why does cube lubrication even matter? Well, let me tell you, lubrication is crucial for maintaining your cube's performance. It reduces friction between the pieces, making your cube smoother and faster. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the right lubricant can make a significant difference in your solving experience. As you can see, a well-lubricated cube moves effortlessly, allowing for quicker solves and fewer lockups. Now, let's talk about why LubeLife water-based lubricant is the top choice for cube enthusiasts. So, what sets LubeLife apart from the competition? Let's break it down. LubeLife provides a silky smooth experience that complements the natural movement of your cube. It's long-lasting, which means fewer reapplications, and it significantly improves your solving speed. This lubricant is compatible with most cube materials, ensuring it won't damage your prized cubes. Plus, it works great with both 3x3 and larger cubes, so it's versatile for all your puzzles. Worried about messy residue on your cubes? With LubeLife, you won't have to. It's easy to clean up, and it won't leave your cubes feeling sticky. LubeLife is safe to use for all cube enthusiasts, thanks to its hypoallergenic and body-safe formula. No need to worry about skin irritations while you're breaking those solving records. But it's not just about cubes. LubeLife water-based lubricant has received rave reviews from users for its versatility and comfortable feel. It's also made in the USA under strict FDA guidelines, ensuring quality and safety. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied users. LubeLife is a game-changer for cube enthusiasts. It's smooth, long-lasting, and easy to clean. I won't cube without it. As someone with sensitive skin, I love that LubeLife is hypoallergenic. It enhances the performance of my cubes without any irritation. LubeLife made my cube solving experience so much better. It's a must-have for every cuber out there. There you have it, folks. LubeLife water-based lubricant for cubes is the ultimate choice for enhancing your cube solving experience. It's the best lubricant for cubes available in the market today, and it's not just for cubes. It's perfect for all your puzzle needs. Don't wait. Grab your bottle of LubeLife today and see the difference for yourself. We've provided a link in the video description to make it easy for you. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cubing!